Right to ask him for his ID. You don't have a right to ID him. You have no right to ID him. He has not. He don't have to give you an ID.
Me and every fucking thing else, a fucking pussy. All they are.
You did.
Asking for his ID and identifying him is the same thing, sir.
No.
You may want to look at the law a little better, okay?
But did he tell you who he was?
Fuck them niggas.
Hey, you go to jail for disorderly conduct, okay?
He ain't disturbing nobody here. He's not disturbing nobody here.
Private property. Private
Hey,
property.
she would have to say that somebody that worked here would have to say that he was disturbed the peace. Somebody working here. Joey, go inside. Shut up. Somebody working here would have to make a complaint against him.
I'm keeping him in there. I'm keeping him in there. He ain't coming back out.
Yeah, keep him inside. Keep him inside. He can't be calm. Look, we don't want her arrested for pulling the picture off the door. We just want her, y'all find her and give her a trespassing warrant too at both stores. At both stores, you know what I'm saying? And Mason, you know that's the only problem I had with you.
We got it taken care of. We got it taken care of.
Sir?
Where's McKinley live at right now?
In that trailer beside my daddy's house?
By your dad's house? The next one?
No, it's on the same property. You can't miss it. If I say that fucking DPS just drove off that quick, parked beside you.
What they do to Eric? You give him tickets?
Window tint.
Again? The front windshield. Yeah. Motherfucker got headers on the motherfucker. He didn't get a ticket for that shit, but fucking front windshield.
That's why I said again.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the second, third one.
Where'd the other dude go?
Which one? That worked here?
Yeah. No, the one they were putting handcuffs or something.
Oh, Joey, my brother?
Yeah.
He's probably inside cooling down. I probably need to go find him. Oh, he's okay. He's okay.